and go for dialogue. That we have been calling the herdsman, the chairman of the Fulani herdsmen, and that they have not been able to get him. And that we should not go ahead and do any protest.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Wednesday, the 2nd day of July 2025. Yesterday, I saw that the Chinese television published a news that Ogoni youths protest against alleged herdsmen killings, demand police action. When I saw the video of the protesters protesting, I was highly disappointed. I was disappointed because we are not at the level of mourning. Some people came to your terrain. This is about 6 months ago, 4 months ago. They started terrorizing and you people were playing politics with it. Now the issue is already out of hand. You are mourning. Mourning about what? You people have guns in Ogoni land. I know Ogoni land very well. It's a matter of if they invade your place, you take your gun and eliminate them. This is all about self-defense. That is what the DSS asks you people to do. The DSS chief said you people should defend your land against all these terrorists so that they will not come back again. But it's the same Rivers people. They flooded my video with negative comments when I told them that in this riverine area in Port Harcourt, part of Bayelsa, that the terrorists has flooded it, that their communities are under siege. This was about 4 months ago here. See the comment section, they were saying, no, don't bring your propaganda to Rivers. Rivers State Fulani terrorists has no place in Rivers. I told these people, maybe they have not started using it. These people have a boat, a boat gun. These people acquired a boat. They will use it to start kidnapping, even though they have not started using it. I have this information. So I said it before and I'm saying it now again so that tomorrow you will not say, oh, this guy did not say this. These people already acquired boats. How do they do it? How are they doing it? Who is allowing them to do it? I saw these people protesting and I am disappointed. This is no matter of protest anymore. Ogoni now has warriors. I know what they can do if they want to do. If they want to stop playing politics with the life of their people, I know what these people are capable of doing. Anyway, I want you to take a look at this video and see what they are saying. Let's come back to discuss in details.
And go for dialogue. That we have been calling the herdsman, the chairman of the Fulani herdsmen, and that they have not been able to get him. And that we should not go ahead and do any protest. We insisted that we want to address one commissioner of police to address us here. He said the commissioner of police was so tired to address us. The commissioner of police was not available to address us. The commissioner of police has so many things to handle. So for that reason, the commissioner of police cannot address us. Meanwhile, we have our brothers and loved ones who have been killed in the Wike community. We have our brothers and sisters that have been killed and raped in the Dokubo community. We have our brothers and sisters that have been killed. In Sowore. We have our brothers and sisters that have been killed in your group. We have been patient so much. The Ogoni people are known for non-violence. Yes. The Ogoni people are known for peace. Oh, yes. The Ogoni people are known for peaceful engagement. We have actually expressed our displeasure to the DPO body division. We have expressed our displeasure to the area commander about the area command. We have also expressed our displeasure to the headquarters of the Rivers State Police Command. What we are told by the OCSID was that we must do a channel of communication. That we are not respecting channels of communication. That we should go back and address and do a petition to the DPO, from the DPO to the area command, from the area command.
Now, I understand that these people are trying their best, to create awareness and to put to the end to the menace going on. But this is not how to stop these people. Imagine you are calling the heads of the Fulani people. You are calling the head of the Fulani herders. He refused to pick your calls in your own terrain. Just imagine the rascality you people are putting yourself. Now, you went to meet the police. This is an emergency situation. Police is asking you to write a letter in emergency situation. Ofone. You see, if I am telling you people things that are happening, it's better you do investigation from what I have said instead of you to argue. You people on my comment section arguing about all this. Now, emergency situation, they are killing your people. Police is telling you to write a letter first before they can attend to your people. And your brother Wike, who said he's the political leader of Rivers, is in Abuja. There. Anyway, let's continue to watch.
That is the message that was given to us by the police OCI inside the headquarters. This is unfortunate, and here is my demand. The Commissioner of Police, here's our demand. The Commissioner of Police, must go to Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Sir, a call for justice and protection of Ogoni land. We, the concerned citizens of Ogoni land, are compelled to raise our voice against the growing wave of violence and insecurity perpetrated by Fulani herdsmen within our communities. The recent attack in Ogoni, Ebuka, Sowore, Wike, which have resulted in the tragic loss of our innocent lives, have pushed our collective patience to its limit. This act of aggression is unacceptable, or are unacceptable. We have endured enough, and we can no longer afford to stand by our people. We can no longer to stand as our people is being murdered and the communities terrorized. Our demands. Immediately, we demand the immediate, unconditional departure of all Fulani herdsmen from Ogoni land.
Yes!
That continual presence pose a grave threat to the peace and security of our people.
Yes.
Now we call on the relevant authorities to take swift, decisive action to end the attacks on our communities and to prevent future occurrence. Yes. Justice and accountability. We demand justice.
Yes.
For the victims of these brutal assaults.
Yes.
To end the attacks on our communities and to prevent future occurrence. We demand justice for the victims of this brutal assault and accountability for those responsible to security and protection. We urge the government to strengthen security measures across Ogoni land to protect the lives, land, livelihoods of our people. Should this be ignored? I repeat, should this be ignored?
No!
And I repeat again, should this be ignored?
No!
We left with no choice. We would left with no option but to defend ourselves.
Yes, sir!
It will be clearly stated, any further attack on the lives of the Ogoni people will no longer be reported to the Nigerian police and the security agencies.
Yes! That's so.
The people of Ogoni will resort to self-help and self-defense.
Yes!
We cannot continue. We cannot continue to fold our arms while our loved ones are slaughtered by strangers who have turned our land into a battleground. The safety and dignity of the Ogoni people are non-negotiable. Let this be a final warning to the police, to the security agencies. Enough is enough. My name is Nnamdi, Oscar, National President, Southside Initiative, Chairman, Coalition of Rivers State Bodies.
Present your
What am I giving? Please, they should sign it. Sign acknowledgement, sir.
Okay, that's the acknowledgement. Sorry, does any other person want to speak?
Yes.
Last person, sir, you speak.
Yes, in addition to what Comrade Oscar Savior have said, my name is Comrade Tamno Imama Tamno Belema, the spokesman of Coalition of Rivers State Youth Body, also the chairman Niger Delta Youth Body. I am from Okrika, but in a solidarity of oneness that says injury to one is injury to all. Injury to one. Injury to all. Today is happening to the Ogonis.
Now, in as much that I am telling these people that they shouldn't have even protested for the first time, I am commending their effort. I am commending the process they took, but I am telling them this for sure. Police has no business stopping Fulani terrorists in Nigeria. They don't have the business of doing that. They can't do that. They won't do that. So you people should get ready because these people are not ready to retreat. These people are bent. In fact, I don't know the kind of people these people are. These people are bent to doing what they want to do. So they are not stopping. So if you think they are stopping, they are not stopping. So you people should get ready. Not until attack happen again, people will begin to cry, begin to shout. And why the River State politicians like Fubara, Wike are doing what please them, their people are really dying. Where is Asari Dokubo? Asari Dokubo said he's in the Igbo lands, doing all sort of things against the Igbos. But his own Ogoni land is under siege. He can't do anything. You see, oh God, this is nemesis anyway. But Ogoni people, I trust you people, you can do this. Stand up to your right and defend yourself.